First and foremost, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for being here today for our Dynamic Incentive Rewards program. At Luxbity International Academy, of course, we firmly believe that success is not just a destination, but a journey marked by hard work, dedication, and commitment. This program is a testament to our unity and determination to rise and succeed together. Let's remember that every step, no matter how small, is significant. Today, we climb the ladder of success hand in hand and full of inspiration.
The journey of entrepreneurship is one of personal growth and achievement. Embrace the challenges, seek out supportive network, and stay true to your vision. So kailangan maging totoo ka sa vision mo, alam mo, nakaplano lahat.
Mahirap ang OFW. Nung nakita ko sa Facebook rin si Madam, by Facebook din eh. Tapos sabi ko, parang gusto ko to.
Nakita ko na aral ako, ipon ako, tapos aral ako. Yun, nag-aral ako. Ito na nakaginto na ako.
Today, we climb the ladder of success hand in hand and full of inspiration. In every challenge we face, let's remind ourselves that nothing is impossible when we are united and support each other.
Lagi akong sumusubaybay sa page nila kasi parang ang dami ko pang gustong matutunan. So, alam ko na lahat ng mga nila, ng mga events nila, ng mga program nila. Alam kong makakatulong kaya lagi kong sinusubaybayan para lalo akong matuto.
Pagsali po dito, isang malaking opportunity na. Gusto ko rin maging katulad, maging kasing successful nila Miss Mimi Abad and Sir Ian.
Nung na-invite ako dito, sinabi sa akin na business opportunity to. So, expect ko na talaga na mas i-grow ko pa or mag-start ako mag-business with them. And so, to learn more about on beauty care or more on about beauty industry.
Hindi siya yung line na before na ginagawa ko kasi from province ako eh. So, nakita ko si Ma'am Mimi is from Nueva Ecija din. So, na-inspired ako na ganun pala kahit na sobrang, alam mo yun, mahirap pala. Mahirap is pag may goal ka, so gagawin mo ng paraan. So, nangarap din ako na magkaroon ng salon. So, ito na siguro yung magiging way ko para, alam mo, ma-achieve yung goal ko na yun.
Industry yung nagpabago sa buhay namin. Sobrang dami po namin naging negosyo. Pero ito po talaga yung negosyo na kahit na nasa bahay ka lang, kahit wala kang pwesto, diba, basta skilled ka. Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi, skills po, napaka-importante yan.